Hey guys, what's up? It's Apple Critics from applecritics.com. In this video, I wanted to talk about the battery drain on iOS 13.5 ever since I've updated last week. So this is pretty much a follow-up video and just showing you my experience with the battery life on iOS 13.5. Now, I was scrolling through Twitter and I saw a few alarming tweets that were talking about the battery life on iOS 13.5. So I thought I should go ahead and dig deeper. So the first tweet was somebody referencing that there's an overheating and battery drain issue with iOS 13.5 and recommended to just turn your phone off and then turn it back on and then it will work like a charm. So you can see that's one issue with iOS 13.5. And then we have another tweet. So this is someone talking about their iPhone 11. Once they've updated to iOS 13.5, their iPhone 11 has been burning hot and the battery has been draining like crazy. So you can see that this is a common issue with the update to iOS 13.5. So this is pretty shocking that the battery has gotten this bad just with an update. So you can see that some other tweet says because it's the indexing after the update and you have to wait overnight and observe it for a day or two, and then you can tell about the battery performance. But you can see that it just shouldn't be like this right after updating it. So someone else confirmed this and they said on their iPhone 11 Pro, it usually has a 60% battery at nighttime, but now it's under 10% every night and burning hot. So you can see that Apple support is right on it and they're trying to do their best to fix it, but I highly think that we're going to get another incremental update and it'll be iOS 13.5.1. So you heard it first. So a lot of people are saying that their iPhone 11 is burning hot. So you can see that this is a big issue. Then this is just another tweet confirming the battery draining fast on iOS 13.5. So we can go ahead and take a look at my battery performance. Now I am on a XS Max on iOS 13.5. So if you just actually go back. And you can see that I'm on iOS 13.5. So you can see that my overall maximum capacity of my battery is 95%. And we can see that just the overall iOS 13.5, once a lot of apps are open, it has been getting hot on my iPhone. So it's really interesting that this update is causing so many problems. So hopefully Apple will fix it, and that's all I can say. So I'd be very interested to see if you are also having the same problem. So just go ahead and comment down below on your battery usage. So this is just my overall battery usage. I don't have a graph here. But this is just how my battery life has been on my iPhone XS Max on iOS 13.5. So thank you for watching this video on the battery life and battery issues of iOS 13.5. Please be sure to subscribe if you like this video. Please smash the like button down below so I know you watched. Also be sure to check out all the other videos on my channel. Be sure to follow me on all the social media platforms. My username there is Apple Critics, and I am on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Also be sure to subscribe for more great content, and thanks for watching.